Authorities received reports of multiple fires being deliberately set in a wooded area, raising concerns for public safety and the risk of a larger wildfire. Using a combination of drone technology, thermal imaging, and ground units, officers began searching the area during the late night hours. The aerial team monitored movements from above, while officers carefully advanced through dense woods and difficult terrain. Bodycam footage shows the tense moments as officers coordinated their search, communicated positions, and attempted to locate the suspect. With limited visibility and the potential danger of active fires nearby, every movement required caution. As the search continued, officers closed in on the individual believed to be connected to the incidents. The operation demonstrates how modern technology, including drones and thermal cameras, can assist law enforcement in locating suspects in challenging environments. All individuals are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
10-4, 6 active fires.
Hey, Air 1, where are the other fires at for MCFR?
They're all over the place, between baseline and behind Walmart. They're going to be south of where the firefighters are going now.
There's more fires now behind Walmart and on baseline. 26, we're head that way now.
I'm almost out. I'm out. Oh, you just hit the big stuff. I can stomp out this little stuff. Okay.
6620, I got more fires starting a little bit further south of where all the rescue units are at.
10-4.
Airone Marion, add 2 more fires to the list. We've got 2 that are just popped up on the west side of baseline right there in the curve.
675. I see a flashlight moving through the woods just south of me. It looks like someone's running.
Try to at least get the flames. Yeah, I'm making my way over there.